You know, sometimes the most brilliant things are hiding in plain sight. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on something you've probably heard a million times, but have you ever really listened to it? We're talking about a simple children's song, and trust me, there's a surprisingly sophisticated design hidden inside its cheerful tune. But first, let's start with a puzzle. How do you actually explain an idea? Not an object, not something you can hold, but a pure concept, like roundness or squareness. I mean, really think about it. How do you get that across to a mind that's just starting to figure out the world? It's a really tough problem. Well, believe it or not, the answer comes from our case study today. That simple, friendly little invitation, it's the key. It completely reframes the whole thing. It's not a boring lesson, it's a shape adventure. And that one little shift changes everything. All right, so let's get into the nuts and bolts here. We're going to start by breaking down the song's core formula, verse by verse. And I'm telling you, once you see this pattern, you won't be able to unsee it. Okay, so what's the secret sauce here? It's this super simple but absolutely brilliant three-step formula. Every single verse follows this exact pattern. First, it names it. Then, it describes it. And finally, the crucial part, it connects it. Let's see how it works in the wild.
Okay, check this out. Step 1, name it. Here's a square. Boom. Simple, direct, done. Now, step 2, describe it. 4 same sides. Now, this is the important part. That's not a picture of a square. That is the definition of a square. It's the abstract rule, the very essence of what makes a square, well, a square.
And this right here is the magic trick. This is step 3, connect it. The song takes that abstract idea, 4 same sides, and immediately yanks it out of the clouds and plants it right in the real world. Windows, boxes, games, stuff a kid actually knows and sees. It's like building a bridge from a fuzzy concept to a solid everyday reality. And that, right there, is the core of its genius. Okay, so now we know what the song is doing. But why does it work so dang well? Well, the answer is in its pedagogical toolkit. Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't just a catchy jingle, it's a super smart set of learning tools all wrapped up in a fun package. So the first tool in the box is something we've all used, the good old mnemonic device. You know what I'm talking about, right? It's basically any little trick that helps you remember something. Think of songs for the alphabet or rhymes to remember a rule. They're like little mental shortcuts or hooks for your brain. And the chorus of this song? It's a perfect example. Shapes, shapes, come and play. It's simple, it's repetitive, it gets stuck in your head. That call to come and play is so smart, because it makes the whole process feel fun, not like work. It drills the main idea into your memory without you even realizing you're learning. All right, tool number 2 is a big one. It's called object association, and it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's the mental process of linking a brand new, kind of fuzzy, abstract idea to a real, physical thing that you already know and understand. And the song does this brilliantly. Take this line. Pizza slices, party hats, triangles are cool like that. How do you make a triangle memorable? You don't just talk about 3 sides. You link it to pizza and parties. The song doesn't just connect the shape to random objects, it connects it to happy, positive things, which makes that mental link even stickier. And that's exactly why this works so well, especially for a developing brain. It takes something that could be kind of intimidating, like geometry, and it turns it into a fun game of I Spy in the real world. Suddenly, it's not about memorizing boring rules, it's all about discovery. But wait, there's more. The song doesn't just stop with things you can see. It uses a third and maybe more subtle tool, kinesthetic language. These are words that make you feel something, like motion or action or a physical sensation. It gets more than just your eyes and ears involved. Just listen to these words. A circle isn't just round. It's rolling, rolling, look it go. You can almost feel it moving, right? And a triangle doesn't just have corners, they're pointy. That word pointy almost makes you feel the sharpness. This kind of action-packed language helps a child almost become the shape. It makes the learning multi-sensory and way, way deeper. All right, so let's zoom out and look at the big picture. When you start putting all these little pieces together, the formula, the chorus, the language, you realize this isn't just a simple song. It's an unbelievably smart and elegant piece of educational design. Yeah, the success of this song is absolutely not an accident. It's built on these secret ingredients, all working together perfectly. You've got that consistent three-step formula, you've got the catchy mnemonic chorus, you've got those super strong real-world connections, you've got the engaging, action-oriented language, and the whole thing is wrapped in this positive, playful vibe. It's truly a masterclass.
And when it comes right down to it, the real genius here isn't what it teaches. I mean, they're just basic shapes. The genius is in how it teaches. It takes a complex, abstract idea and makes it feel simple, intuitive, and most important of all, really, really fun.
So that kind of leaves us with a final question to think about, right? Now that you can see the hidden architecture inside this one little song, it makes you wonder, what other simple things in our world are actually brilliantly designed? What other everyday genius is just hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to notice?